Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I will explain how to make the text move along with the path and shape. Let's begin! Let's start! You can animate texts along paths or shapes with the pen tool or shape tool. Select the text layer in the timeline panel and then select the pen tool to create a path in the composition panel. Expand the text property of the text layer. At the Path menu of the Path options, select Mask 1. When setting the mask for the path, the text will be placed along the path. Also, under the Path property, the properties that set the behavior of the path are displayed. When the path is selected, the text will be placed in the middle of the path length. In addition, properties such as margin are added to the Path options property. Drag the text in the composition panel to move it to the position where the animation begins, and move the playhead to the frame at which you want to begin the animation. Click the stopwatch button in the first margin property to create the keyframe. Then, confirm that the value of the first margin property changes. Then move the playhead to the frame where the animation ends, and change the value of the first margin property to move the text to the position where the animation ends. If you play it in the preview panel, the text will be animated along the path like this. You can change the arrangement of the text path by turning on or off the reverse path, perpendicular path, and force alignment in the Path options property. When turning on the reverse path, the text will be placed on the reverse side of the path. When checking perpendicular to path, the text will be placed perpendicular to the path. When turning off perpendicular to path, it is placed perpendicular to the screen. If force alignment is checked, the text will be evenly aligned along the path. Select the text layer, then from Shape tool, select Ellipse tool, and drag it into the composition panel to draw an ellipse. Please note that if you use Shape tool without selecting the text layer, the shape will be created as a shape layer instead of a mask. From Path options, Path, select Mask 1 as before. The text is then placed along the elliptical path. This time, I want to place the text outside the oval path, so I will check to turn on the reverse path of the Path options. Move the playhead to the position where you want to start the animation. Click the stopwatch button for first margin to create the keyframe. You can create an animation in which text moves along the path by moving the playhead and changing the first margin value. Finally, let's play it in the preview panel and the text will be animated like this. This is the end of the lecture on how to make the text move along the path and shape. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.